Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ian, and today I'm going to talk about animal and environment. My central idea is creatures and their environment are interdependent and can influence each other in many ways. My theme is sharing the planet. I want to do this topic is because I really love animals and I'm always curious about how animals affect their environment, how they adapt, and how we humans affect their homes. And today, I'm going to share what I have discovered with you. My lines of inquiry number 1 is how creatures and their environment support and affect each other. Animal and environment are connected. They can influence and affect each other in many ways. Birds will migrate to warmer place when it gets too cold. This shows how environment affects animals. On another hand, bees help plants grow by pollinating flowers from one flower to another. Now, let's see different kinds of habitat. Number 1, forests. Forests are full with trees and many animals like rabbit, wolf, and deer live there. Number 2, Arctic. Arctic are cold and full with ice and snow. Animals like penguin and polar bear live there. Number 3, desert. Deserts are hot and dry. Animals like camel live there. Number 4, ocean. Oceans are huge bodies of salt water. Fish like shark and dolphin live there. Different animals can affect their environment too. For example, squirrels will hide nuts and acorns under the ground, and they always forget where they hide them. So the acorn and nut will grow into trees. This example shows how animals affect their environment. And my second line of inquiry is how different animals adapt when their environment was changed. Over time, animals develop adaptation to let them survive. This means to change slowly over many years. There are 3 main types of adaptation. Number 1, structural or physical. This means body parts change. Like camels have humps to store water, and Arctic fox have thick fur and white coat to hide and keep warm in the snow. Number 2, behavioral. This means action that animals do to survive. For example, birds will migrate to warmer places when the weather gets too cold. And some animals will hibernate in winter, like bear. Number 3, physiological. This means internal body change, like being able to survive without water or certain food. Environment will change, and animals must adapt or they might not survive. Bug is a very good example. They used to be millions of years ago. They are very huge, and because of the environment change, they are smaller and smaller now. But if the change is too fast, animals might struggle. Number 3 lines of inquiry is the impact of human activities on animal habitat and survival. Sadly, the most reason that animals struggle is because of human action. There are some examples. Number 1, deforestation. This means cutting down too many trees and destroyed homes for monkeys, birds, and other forest animals. Trees need years to grow, but humans can use days to destroy a forest. Number 2, plastic pollution. Plastic on the ocean can hurt animals. For example, sea turtle will mistake a plastic bag for a jellyfish, and when they eat it, they will sick and maybe causes death. Number 3, climate change. Driving cars using electricity and burning fossil fuels will cause a gas called CO2, and this gas will let the weather be warmer and warmer. For example, one small power plant will cause 10,000 metric tons of CO2. This pollution is same as 2,000 cars. And this is the picture about clean air, healthy animal, water is clean and soil clean and good to grow. And here are some pictures. This is deforestation, and this is about sea turtle eating plastic. About my action plan. I do 3 action plans. Number 1, I make some card about how animals affect their environment. Number 2, I make some handbill about how to protect animals. Number 3, I make 4 models about food web. And the difference of the 4 models is that there are different habitats. I also use different IB learner profile when I am doing this exhibition. Number 1, caring, because I care about animals and how humans affect animals and environment. I use inquiry because I want to learn more about how humans affect animals and how animal and environment affect each other. I also use principle because I want to be more responsible about what I'm doing right now and how human and animal affect each other. I also use ATL skills. This means approaches to learning. I use thinking skill, communication skill, and research skill. I use thinking skill to think clearly about what I need to say, and I use communication skill to present clearly about what I need to say, and I use research skill to research some information about my exhibition. Thank you for listening, and if you have any question, I'm very happy to answer it.